guys, what's up? It's me again, Alicia, and I know it's been such a long time since I've been on YouTube. I had to take a hiatus. I had to get my life together. You guys, depression is crazy. You know, take the time out to just get your life together and just come back stronger. So I want to thank you guys so much for those of you guys who reached out to me and hope I was doing well. I'm doing great. We do have some really huge news for you guys, so stay tuned for that. But anyways, I found something that I know you guys will love, of course, on Amazon. Y'all know I love Amazon, but a lot of you guys were asking for human hair affordable options that are actually really cute. I know a lot of you guys don't like to tweeze your hairline, so you guys want me to find something that had like a pre-plucked hairline, and I think I found something. Okay, so this one I did get from Amazon, of course, Amazon Prime. I believe the store is called Atina. I'll link everything down below for you all, and this is how the hair comes directly out the pack. A lot of you guys want to see exactly how it comes straight out the pack so that you guys can know what you're getting yourself into. I do customize my units, so when you guys get yours, because I get a lot of comments from you guys saying, oh, mine didn't look anything like that. I'm showing you guys the steps that I take to get the look that I achieve. It's very simple. Really, I'm just bleaching the knots here. I know a lot of you guys are afraid to bleach your knots because you don't want to ruin your unit. So if you don't trust yourself bleaching your knots, I'd say just use liquid foundation. It's going to give you the same illusion of a bleached knot. So just take your regular liquid foundation, and at this point you'll just spread that on the inside of the lace. But right here, I do like to bleach my knots, so I am taking the products that I did show you guys, which is my 30 volume developer, or was it 20? I can't remember. And I do use my basic white powder, and I just make my concoction and spread that on the inside of the lace. I allow it to sit on the lace for about 15 minutes. You want to just keep watching it because when you're dealing with straight hair, it turns quicker. So yeah, I went ahead and rinsed it with the coldest water possible, and you can use any shampoo just to make sure all of the residue is off. And then I'm taking my Shimmering Lights purple shampoo just to tone the bleaching of the knot so that it doesn't look kind of brassy or fake. It's gonna look real natural after you tone the lace with that. I allowed that to sit on the inside of the lace for about 30 minutes, I think. Yeah. And now I'm just going to go ahead and rinse that out. And as you guys can see, this is what my knots look like afterwards. Now I'm taking my silicone mix conditioner. A lot of people mention something about silicone mix not being something good because it's silicone. This is really good to use on your fake hair. Do not put this on your natural hair, sis. Put this on your wigs and your weaves. It's going to keep the hair from matting up. It's going to keep the hair from, it gives that fake illusion of just, lightweight, soft, manageable hair. But you don't want to put that on your natural hair because it coats your strands and it's not good for your cuticles. So yeah, I use that for my wigs and weaves. And yeah, this is the way my hair looks after bleaching the knots. As you guys can see, it looks much more natural than it did before. You can really see that pre-plucked hairline once you bleach those knots. I know a lot of people, they get their wigs, it's pre-plucked, but they don't notice the illusion because the knots aren't bleached. So that's what bleaching of the knots do. It actually creates more transparency where the scalp is so that you can really see the naturality of the wig. And that's all I tweezed. I just wanted to get that front hairline to be not so, I don't know, manufactured looking. So I just kind of tweezed a little bit of that off, and I did cut a little bit of the baby hairs as well. Now we're gonna get into styling. I just opt for a middle part because that's how it was on the website. A lot of you guys want me to just keep the style the way it is, so I went ahead and I put a very messy middle part. I suck at parting, but now I'm just using my Cream of Nature foaming wrap mousse and applying that to the front perimeter. I didn't want that much baby hairs this time. You guys know I love my baby hairs, but I do get a lot of comments from you guys stating that baby hairs is like 2018. You know, we've grown up now. We're gonna do no baby hairs, but I still like a little bit. It kind of helps with concealing that lace, especially because I don't adhere my units down. So the baby hairs really help from the lace sticking up, and it makes it look natural. Okay, so this is how the hair looks once I get the wig on. I'm gonna go ahead and cut that lace off camera. If you like to see how I cut my lace off, I'll link it in the cards right up here so you guys can check that out. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and get the wig on, and this is how it looks. I'm speechless. This is a really cute unit, y'all, and it's super affordable. Now, I wear a black stocking cap. I don't like to wear colored stocking caps because it doesn't look natural on me unless I do the whole ball cap method. But because I do use a black stocking cap, I apply concealer in the parting space. It just makes the scalp area pop a little more. So yeah, that's why I do that. But once you bleach the knots, if you have a light colored stocking cap, you don't have to do that. So yeah, I went ahead and just flat ironed the hair. I know a lot of you guys are going to ask, is this big head friendly? I do believe this is good for all head sizes. I do have a small head, and I did have to sew in an elastic band to get the wig to stay on properly. But yeah, this is where the hair falls on me. This is, I believe, a 10-inch unit. It falls right into my collarbone. You guys can see it's a really decent length for the summertime. Okay, so for those of you guys going on vacation and doing your thing, this is perfect for the summer. It's not too long, it's very lightweight, it's 180% density, so it's a nice fullness. Okay, so yeah, again, you guys, I got it from Amazon. This is from Atina Queen. Let me know what you guys think of this unit. It's super affordable and I'm loving it. I'll catch you guys later. Bye guys.